Hi guys, and welcome to the Computer Coach. Hope you're all fine and feeling well. This is Himayat, and in this lesson we're going to talk about a display setting. So right click pop-up menu. Here we have a display setting. Before I start, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. If you are new here, you're gonna enjoy the lessons as well. So come to the display setting. We can go to the display setting in different ways. I want to show you all the way the easiest way. So the first one, right click here, we have got a display setting. Click on it, we can go to the display setting in this way. And the second way, right click, show more options. Here we have a display setting as well. The third way, to go to the settings, so we can go to the setting in two ways. Maybe the first one is we have a start here, and here we can go to the setting as well. And moreover, we have a shortcut to go to the setting. So the shortcut for setting is Windows key plus I, so we can easily go to the setting. So here the first we have display. So here we have display. Click on display. So there are settings we have to do. We will study that. So display setting is divided into three categories. The first one here is brightness and color. The second one is cal and light, and the third one we have got related settings. The first one here is brightness and color. What does mean by brightness and color? We have got settings related to brightness and color. So the first one here, we have got a brightness, like we can easily increase and decrease the brightness of our computers, okay, easily here. Easily, I mean, that's not really easy. You come to display setting and you want to increase and decrease the brightness, but we have the easiest way. There are more ways to increase and decrease the brightness. I'm gonna show you. So you can you can increase and decrease your brightness, computer brightness. So anytime you want to increase and decrease the brightness, you can use the shortcut. Every computer has got their own shortcuts. Mine is F10 and mine is F11 and F12, okay, without anything else. I used to press the Fn button, okay, but I don't know. It's a new update. We don't have to use the Fn to increase and decrease or to reduce the brightness. Or if you don't want to use the shortcut, you can use the action center for that one. Simply by go to the action center, we can come to the action center here. Here we have got action center. Here you can reduce or you can increase and decrease the brightness here. Anyway, we can do it in display setting as well, because it's a display setting. The second here, we have got a night light. Well, night light is we use night light during the night. When it's night, we use it to prevent our eyes for damaging, our eyes. So therefore, we use night light, and it's used during the night. So simply turn on the night light. What does night light do? Night light decrease the white color. In here is the value, here is the strength, like how much do you want the color to be, increase the white color or decrease the white color. It's like more color coming up. So here we can turn on and turn off the night light. But if you like to use the night light, you can use it easily. You can make your setting here, then you can come to the action center. Here we have got a night light. Simply click the night light here. We have the night light here. It's turned on, and simply go to action center. The shortcut is Windows key plus A. Here is the night light. So if you don't have the night light in action center, what you're gonna do, for example, come to the edit quick setting. I don't have the night light with me here, so when I come to the action center, I don't have the night light here, but I need to turn off and turn on the night light. Sometimes it depends on situation, the place. So what you're gonna do, right click on a blank, not on a blank, or maybe anywhere, right click it and edit quick settings. Come to the edit quick settings, and here at not done, here we want to add something else in the action center. So click, and here we have a night light. Click on a night light and done. So now we have the night light here. Anytime you want to turn on the night light, you can click on the night light and it's on. Okay, so whenever you want off it, click and it's off. You can easily turn on and turn off the night light from here. You can have a schedule for the night light here, sunset to sunrise, like 11 p.m. to 5, maybe 8 to 6, now 5:52 p.m. So it's the night light or sunrise. So anytime set hours, you can choose hours from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. anytime you want to choose. It is automatically turned from daylight to night light, we can say that. But if you don't want to use the night light, simply turn it off, and you can turn it on and turn it off by your choice. So it is the night light. And the third one, we have got a HDR. HDR stands for high dynamic range. We use HDR for to have a better view of videos, and most of the time to have a better view of game. It's like you are a game player, you can make the setting of the HDR, high dynamic range here, but in my choice it's better for me, and we're gonna talk about the HDR whenever we are on gaming position. So come to the display setting again, and come to the second. Here we have got a scale and layout. What are you gonna do in scale and layout? The first one we have got is scale. The first one we have got is scale. In scale, we can change the item we see. Like for example, if I come here and I choose, like if I choose decrease, it's gonna be like so decrease in a little. If I choose increase, so for example 125, it's gonna change for me like this. It's like so small now. And if I want more smaller, I can choose 100. It's more smaller, and I rarely can see it. There are so many people they use this. Really, how they use this for? So zoomy. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, but recommended, for Windows is has already chosen the range that is better for you. Even your version is stronger or your version is not stronger, okay, you can use it, and recommend it is better. But if you want to zoom it more, you can come here, you can choose 125, and it's gonna be more zoomed. Okay, so you can change it here. Like here you see it makes problem. Some apps won't respond to scale changes until you close and reopen them. So you understand. So I want to recommend it is better. This is better for me. I'm using this scale. Okay, so the second one, we have got a display resolution. Well, the display resolution will change the quality of your display. Whenever you want to change the quality of your display, it will change the quality. We have many different display resolutions, and you can use it. And here we have got a display orientation. Well, orientation means the position, or like sometimes, like most of the time, we use display orientation when we have a touch screen in our computer, and we can do this. Okay, it's like rotation whenever we want to rotate our screen. So rotate it from like rotate, so it's like this. Or you can use the landscape. We have a landscape here, landscape flipped, so it's landscape flipped. Okay, we can use it like I can use this like it's different positions. Okay, you can make your display for different angles, but most of the time we use this orientation whenever our screen is touched. Okay, and the last setting we have got here, multiple display. We use the multiple display whenever we want to connect for something like projector or LCD to our computer, so we can use the multiple display setting. So for example, I have a presentation or I have a class to teach, I connect my computer to a display or to show my students what I do. So we use display setting, like two displays are going to be connected. So here are settings and detected or connected displays or not, or remember which location based on monitor connections, or these are the options. We will have another video for multiple display setting, because I have to connect my computer with another display, and there are many settings I want to talk about it. In advanced setting, we do not have any advanced more. It is also related to display settings, like we have to have connected displays, two connected displays maybe, and here it's like more informations about your color format, color space, display adapter, like which kind of adapter properties for display one, or anything you can show, internal display, external display. We have more choose. Okay, here choose the rate, more options, but we're gonna talk about it inshallah. So here is the display setting, the brightness, the night, and hope you understand. Please subscribe and be with me for the next lesson. Thank you very much for watching.